Okay, so I'm ready to install rebar on a 2018 Volvo Xc60. So there are 4 bolts right here and right here, and the way it goes, these cutouts need to be on the bottom, and the harness mounts to these holes. This harness that is here. So yeah, and then I'm gonna try to do it with one hand. You see, okay, one side we have it. Okay, yeah, so that's how it looks. Okay, rebar is in, and then I'm gonna insert the bolts. 4 bolts. Okay, just like that. Then we have nuts on the bottom. Okay, and then that's it. So, and then here we have the harness. I'm gonna attach it right here, there, another one, another mounting point is here. Okay, you better put together like it should be. This one is still under warranty, so it's better be put together like it should be, so they don't notice anything. It's an 18 Xc60 with clean title, but clearly it had a front end collision. But it's gonna be no sign of anything. So as you can see, the rebar is on. I'm gonna just tie the bolts, and next step will be the frame with hood locks.